Hello folks. Let me welcome to our YouTube channel that gets its strengths from your constant support through your subscription, comments, and shares. Today's video will inform you about how a business manager can keep track of your MS Teams application usage in multiple ways. As MS Teams is a leading communication platform, used by millions of businesses and many businesses have thousands of employees, so Business Manager can check that how the members of the application are using it. In Microsoft Teams Admin Center, there are various kinds of reports and records available for extensive usage. A report can help you in better decision-making and planning your communication techniques. You can also save the online reports into offline files in the CSV file. When the Teams administrator opens the Admin Center, then Analytics and Reports section has a feature called Usage Reports. When you click on Report section, then a drop-down appears and lets you choose a special kind of report. Then, you can set a date range based on 7, 30, 90, and 180 days. After that, click on Run Report option and a special chart appear. You can hover it and check the details. Later, go to the report list and select a different kind of report to show. After that, when you click on Run Report, so a different result appears. Similarly, you can choose a different report and the result will change too. Finally, when you choose such report that you require to further use in processing, then you can not only hover it to check the details, but click on the MS Excel icon. It will show two results. Export chart as CSV, or export table as CSV. Choose an option and it will download in the default downloads folder. Now, double-click on the downloaded file and see the results in the table. The parameters of the result are distributed in various columns and its entries. As a Teams manager, you also require migrating data between two teams. When two teams belong to different domains, then it becomes tough to transfer the data. Kernel Apps offers a special software called Kernel MS Teams Migration Software that reduces the platform complexity and migrate complete teams. It can migrate unlimited number of teams and there will be a simple user interface to log in between accounts and select the teams. Thanks for watching our video and put a comment in the comment section. To know more about the software, please visit the given link. Have a nice day.